Hello, my name is Randy Cook from Team Industries in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. Today we are having an open house to celebrate an expansion. We put on 3 new die-cast machine work centers, and we've opened up our doors to invite the public in to take a tour of our new addition and to take them through a quick series of events at our machine for a typical process. First, we will prepare the tool by spraying it with the release agent, ensuring that the castings can come off of the die. We then close the die. We have molten aluminum waiting in a holding furnace, which doses molten aluminum to a chute. This chute will carry the aluminum down to a shot sleeve. Once in the shot sleeve, there is a hydraulic ram which pushes the molten aluminum into the waiting die. After a period of solidification time, the die opens and ejects the casting into the gripper of a waiting extraction device, a robot. This robot proceeds to quench or water cool the casting, places it on a conveyor which carries it to a waiting operator. This operator will take the casting and run it through a trim press, removing excess material. From this point, inspection is done, and then the casting is placed in a container to be taken off to the end user.
Hello, I'm Carrie Johnston with the Detroit Lakes Regional Chamber of Commerce, and today I am here with Randy Cook at Team Industries in Detroit Lakes. We are so excited to be here for your open house. Thank you for letting us come.
It's wonderful to have you. Wonderful.
Thank you. Well, we've been able to tour your facility, learn a little bit about what's happening. So give us a quick overview about what we just saw. What is happening here at Team in Detroit Lakes?
Well, today we took you through one of our brand new machine centers. What we're doing with these machines is actually transforming aluminum into die-cast products. Most of our die-cast products are used in the recreational market, a lot of stuff for Polaris, BRP, stuff like that. For the most part, it's drivetrain components that end up in snowmobiles, four-wheelers, golf carts, things of that sort.
Okay, so we just saw things being sprayed, things being poured. Describe the process a little bit about what we just saw.
Well, we transport molten aluminum to the die-cast machine. At that point, it's sitting in a holding furnace. We will take it from that holding furnace and pass it down a chute into a shot tube, where we'll then advance it into the tool with a shot ram. So basically, we're getting a die ready by putting a die lubricant on it to make sure that the aluminum will not stick to the die.
Sure.
Injecting it with aluminum, opening the tool, ejecting a casting. We have a robot extractor which will take that casting and present it to an operator. That operator that will then trim off any excess things that we use to make the part that are not sold to our customer. We put them in a container and ship them out.
Okay, so the part we just saw, the finished, is that a finished product ready to go to consumer, or is there more to happen?
That will go to another facility and it will be machined. We do what's called near net shape in die casting, so we cast it to a shape that is almost what the end user is gonna experience, but it has to go somewhere to have the rough edges taken off it. Excess.
Okay, great. So tell me a little bit about working at Team.
Working at Team, it's a great place to be. It's a family-owned company. They take very good care of us. It's a great group of people. Everybody tries to take care of each other. We have a very good team atmosphere. We like to get together and do things, softball tournaments, fishing tournaments, things like that on the weekends. Yeah, it's a very tight-knit group.
Very neat. And I know if you're looking for employment opportunities, Team Industries is always looking, and some really great opportunities to be able to try something new, and there's always places to put people.
That's right.